Video games have come a long way since their inception in 1970s. From the simple yet addictive Pong to advanced graphics and gameplay of today's games, the gaming industry has grown by leaps and bounds. With so many options available, it's easy to get lost in the sea of video game consoles. But what if you could create your own game console? A device tailored to your exact specification, filled with your favorite games and designed to give you the ultimate gaming experience. That's exactly what this video is about. A custom game console project that you can build from the ground up. Whether you are a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner looking to get into the world of custom gaming, this project is perfect for you. This project is essentially an Altoid game console. However, it comes in a box made by a different candy company and has a different shape than typical Altoid tin. Altoid game consoles, also known as Altoid tin game consoles, are a unique type of custom game consoles that has been popular among DIY enthusiasts and gamers. The concept is simple. Take an Altoid tin, a small, pocket-sized mint container, and transform it into a functioning handheld game console. The tin is retrofitted with components such as microcontroller, buttons, and a screen to create compact and portable gaming device. This game system only supports one game, a Space Invader style game. An SSD 1306 display is used while the console's Attiny85 MCU serves as its brain. A small 50 by 50 millimeters PCB contains the entire project, is crammed inside the candy box. The code and detailed build instruction are in the project's page. Link is in video description. The candy tin box that I've purchased from a neighborhood market serve as the inspiration for this project design. The plan was to use a square box and install a PCB that houses all the electronics inside. PCBs for this project were provided by PCBWay. After completing the PCB design, the Gerber data was generated and then sent to PCBWay for samples. An order was placed for the PCB with white solder mask and black seal screen, which looked pretty cool in general. I received the PCBs within a week and they were excellent as expected. I love the quality of PCBs made by PCBWay. There are other manufacturers available, but their service is always on another level. Check out PCBWay for getting great PCB service at less cost. This project uses an Attiny85, a low-powered microchip 8-bit AVR based microcontroller that is really amazing since it can handle some tasks just as effectively as an Arduino, but in a more compact and user-friendly package. It can be integrated into projects and functional flawlessly, much like an Arduino board but with fewer I/O ports. The best part about Attiny85 is its cost. It's super cheap. The Attiny85 MCU is simply inserted in the DIP8 socket, burned with code and then removed and then connected to the main circuit's DIP8 socket. Adding and removing the Attiny85 is not practical and could result in breaking or bending its leg. But there is a way that we can change that, perhaps in the next version. This process is similar to adding old school game cartridges to game consoles. The only difference is that the old cartridges were big and much more practical. The Attiny85 is added into the DIP8 socket and a 5-volt source is connected to the game console via the USB micro port. Both Space Invaders and the board appear to be functioning as well. This is it for today, folks. Leave a comment if you guys need any help and I'll be back with a new project pretty soon. Thanks PCBWay for supporting this project. Do check PCBWay out for getting great PCB service at a less cost. Peace out.